In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a work schedule on monday.com. If you want a quick and organized way to manage shifts, tasks, or team availability, using a template in monday.com is a great place to start. It saves time and gives you a ready-made structure, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access the work schedule template and get it ready to use. To begin, go to your monday.com workspace. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon next to your workspace. This is the button you'll use to create something new. Click that plus icon to open the creation options. Once the menu appears, navigate to the board options and select Start with Template. This option is useful because it lets you browse cheap, pre-built boards designed for specific workflows. Instead of manually creating columns, statuses, and layouts yourself, you can use a template that already includes the basics. After that, you'll be taken to the template center. Here, you'll see a search bar that helps you find the right board more quickly. In the search field, type in schedule. This will filter the available templates and narrow the results so you can find scheduling related options without scrolling through everything. From the search results, look for the template called Work Schedule. Once you see it, click on it to open the template preview. This is a helpful step because it gives you a chance to confirm that you're choosing the right setup for your needs. In many cases, the preview will show you how the board is structured and what kinds of columns or groups are already included. When you're ready to move forward, click Use Template. Monday.com will then create the board inside your workspace using that work schedule layout. From there, you can begin customizing it to fit your team, your hours, or your project needs. A useful tip here is to review the template once it opens so you understand how it is organized before making changes. That way, you can keep the parts that are helpful and adjust only what you need. This makes setup faster and helps you avoid unnecessary edits. And that's it. You've successfully created a work schedule on monday.com using a template. Once your board is in place, you can start filling in schedule details and adapting it to your workflow.